Am I the only one who didn't know that some animals only come alive at night? Let's explore their secret lives. From the sneaky owl who silently soars through the night sky, to the cute and curious hedgehog rustling in the bushes, these night critters have mastered the art of darkness. Did you know that bats use echolocation to navigate, bouncing sound waves off objects to see in pitch black? And what about the elusive and elegant fox, prowling quietly for its next meal? It's like a hidden world that only awakens when we sleep. So next time you're out at night, remember, there's a whole secret society of animals out there living their best lives. Stay curious and keep exploring. Hit that like button if you love discovering the wonders of nature.